What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel, and like you can tell, I'm really excited for today's video because this is a pair that I wanted for a really long time. It's the Ambush Dunks, and of all the 4 colorways that I've dropped, this one by far has my heart. And I was really sore because I couldn't really cop a pair for myself at retail on sneakers, but then the second best thing happened. I picked them up from Ox Street. Now Ox Street is a Singapore-based sneaker marketplace that caters to all of Asia, and I was so lucky to have discovered this pair at a really good steal price. Ox Street has an app. You can scroll through, you can filter by your size. So I obviously looked for the Ambush Dunks, and amongst the 4 colorways I picked up the Deep Royal, I picked up the size 9, and you have an option of making an offer as well, but I really couldn't wait because the price anyway was a steal, so I just went ahead and copped it. I know a lot of you have questions about shipping and customs. So shipping to India from Singapore is about $65 Singapore dollars. That's roughly 3,500 rupees. And once the shipment gets here, the good thing that Ox Street does is market at retail. So I paid about 6,000 bucks in custom duties. And I think that's a super steal. I am so excited. This was actually my birthday pickup. The way Ox Street works is people list their products on their website, and when you place an order, the seller first ships the pair to Ox Street. They verify it, they check it, make sure it passes all the requirements on their list, and only then they ship it to you. So for instance, if you're ordering from India, it would roughly take about 10 days because you place the order, the seller ships it, it's about 2 days or something, 2 or 3 days, depending on where it's coming from. 1 day for them to authenticate, and then they ship it on to you. And for my viewers, I have a special offer. I have a link down in my description. Click on the link, create your account, and you'll get $15 off on your first purchase. So what are you waiting for? Head there right now. But first, stay through the video, check out this pair because it's a beautiful pair. Oh, and I almost forgot, Ox Street has like this weekly contest going on where you upload your fit pics with your sneakers and you tag Ox Street and you use the hashtag Ox Street favorites. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen that one of my fit pics got selected, which is how I got a few Ox Street credits as well, and that helped me offset the price on this pair. And thank you and shout out to everybody who voted and helped me win. And it was on my birthday, so this is a birthday present. And if you haven't gotten me a present yet and you aren't a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you're already a subscriber, give this video a thumbs up because hey, I'm introducing you guys to Ox Street, and I'm pretty sure you're going to be placing a bunch of orders from there. This is a regular glossy Nike box, but the only difference being that on the sides they have done the Ambush branding in all white. So I picked up a size US 9. So remember this, when you're placing your orders on Ox Street, it's in US sizing. So check your UK sizing and then compare it and place your order. I got a US 9, which is a UK 8 for me in men. Look at that. But there's a bunch of things before we get into the sneaker. Oh yeah, the sneaker came double boxed with bubble wrap and all of that. So meticulous packing, really impressive. There's a bunch of stickers in here. This one's your Yeezy bread, but it says Ox Street instead of Supply 350 right there. Here's an off-white Chicago. It's got Ox done there, like love these stickers. And man, I actually love this pair. It sucks I don't have it, but at least I have this sticker now. So it's like it's stuck on bubble gum, and that's Ox for Ox Street. A nice camo sticker. And this is a note from the guys at Ox Street. Wow, that's really sweet because I have ordered from StockX and Goat, but nobody's ever dropped a handwritten note. Congrats on your purchase. We hope you love your sneakers. Use Ox Street favorites on Instagram for a chance to win Ox credit. And here you have the checklist of everything that the Ox Street team goes through while they verify your pair before they ship it to you. The moment that I've been waiting for so long. Oh, nice. It's really nice when you see a well-packaged product come together. And oh, I'm sorry, let me just get the sneaker out. Well, here you have it. The Ambush Dunk High in the Deep Royal colorway. Man, this thing is so dang beautiful. And like you would notice, there's this hang tag. You can see it right here as well. It's on both pairs. That's your Ox Street verified tag. like I said, Oxtail is all OG, 100% authenticity guaranteed. Man, this pair, whew, oh, it's so soft. Look at that, so dang soft and buttery. I think this is by far the best dunk that's ever come out. So as most of you might know, Ambush is by Yoon An. She's a Korean American and she's also worked, I don't know if she still does, as a menswear jewelry designer, I think at Dior. And she obviously has her own line of Ambush products. I for one have that lighter case necklace and man, I totally love it. And she's done a bunch of collabs with Nike, Converse and all of that. But then she did this pair, and this draws out cues from the motorcycle lifestyle, the culture that's in Japan, which is why you see this extended swoosh that goes all the way out of the pair, like the exhausts of a bike. So you have a heel stabilizer right here on which you see the Ambush branding, and then you have another heel stabilizer right here. This is not stitched on, it's like a sleeve, so you can lift that up. The white and the blue panels are super soft. The laces are all waxed, that's how it comes. You also get 2 spare laces. You have a navy wax lace set and also a white wax lace set, and all of these 3 laces come with metal lace tips, which I think is a super interesting touch. On the tongue tab you have the Nike swoosh and Ambush done right there. This is an exposed foam tongue. The front of the tongue is done in leather and the back is nylon. Your insole is all white and you have the Ambush branding done in navy right there, and that carries over to the left pair too. One thing I gotta tell you right off the bat, when I got this pair out of the box, I was like, man, did I order for the wrong size? Or did they ship me a wrong size? Did they send me like a US 10 or a US 9 or something? Because this is a massive pair. Let me compare it side by side. So I have my shadows right here and obviously the dunk. When you place them side by side, do you see how the dunk is so overpowering in terms of a size or silhouette? I think it's all of these panels on the back that stick out that make it look so much bigger. And here it is next to my Maze Dunks. Now again, you know how much of a fan I was of the leather quality on this pair. But next to the Maze Dunk as well, ooh, look at that. The Ambush Dunk is certainly a bigger, chunkier silhouette. And man, I think with some cropped jeans or trousers, these would slap hard. I'm now going to slip these on feet to show you what they look like. So that's it for this video, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Ah man, I really want to wear this today straight to feet. So I think I'm gonna have to snip this off. Right, I completely forgot mentioning that the midsole is sail. It's got that aged look. So you can see how it contrasts with the white panels. And yep, worn them out already today. Shout out again to Ox Street. Check out the link in the description. Create your account. Get that $15 off. And if I'm right, the price of this pair has dropped a little further, and if you don't want to pay that still, you can still make your offers, and when it gets accepted, you got this beautiful pair in hand. Oh, okay, it smells really good. Not that that makes a difference, but it does. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next one. You take it easy, stay safe, peace.